Hello students of class 9 standard. Today we will just continue the practical. Okay, today's practical is just I have written here, that is the magnetic field lines. So here what we will do, this one is given in your book. This is the experiment number 6 in practical book. You can see this one. And here what we have to do, that to draw the magnetic field lines of a bar magnet. So for this practical, uh, three things are required. One is actually one compass is needed. This is one compass. You can see this one. If you see properly this compass, then this portion is the arrow head. Okay, this is the arrow portion, and this is the toe end of the arrow, and this is actually the compass. And next one is what, that one bar magnet is also required here. This is the bar magnet, and one more thing is required, that is one pencil is required. So with the help of these three things you can easily complete this practical. So how can you do that one? So first we have to take a white sheet of paper, and most probably this at the middle point, at the mid portion of this white sheet of paper, you have to place the bar magnet. Now most of the cases you will see that north pole and south pole will be written in the bar magnet, but quite unfortunately in this particular bar magnet, north and south pole are not mentioned. So how can you check that which one is north pole and south pole? From the childhood you are just know that one, how to check that one. So basically I am just telling you that one, you just take the compass here. Okay, so as you place this compass here in this point, you see that one, this arrow is just pointing towards this side. Now if you just bring this in this side, maybe probably you can watch properly. So if you bring this compass in this way, then you can see that the position of this is continuously changing. Okay, if you bring this compass here, then arrow is just going in the other side. So definitely this side, from where the actually arrow is outward, that portion is the north pole, and other side is the south pole. So you will just place this north pole in this side. Okay, north pole here in this side. So in this way we will place this one. You see this one, arrow is outward, this arrow is outward, so definitely this is north pole. Now what we will do, after placing this bar magnet at the midpoint, we will draw this type of rectangular thing here, rectangular box. We will complete this one, because at the end of this at the end of the practical, it is very much required. So one rectangle I have just completed here. This is the bar magnet. So here we will place the bar magnet. Clear? Now what we will do, just see the actual thing here. First we will bring this compass here in this position. Okay, and at the end point of this arrow, here we will mark one point. Okay, then I will shift the position of this one. Then again I will just bring the compass here in this position. Then again I will just mark one point here. Again I will shift this position, and I will just place this compass here, and I will mark in this position. Last one I am just doing here in this way. Again one more line, one more point, just placing here. Okay, so in this way if you draw, then one imaginary line you can easily draw in this way, and the direction of this one will be definitely outward according to the direction of the compass. I am just giving the arrow. Okay, so this is in this way. Now I will not change the position of this particular magnet. I will just place it here in this point. Maybe you can see that the position of the arrow, one point I will mark, then I will bring it here in this position, then another point I will mark here. Okay, then again I will place it here, then another point where it is ended, that point I will mark here in this position. Here also maybe you can see that one properly, here also one point. Then again I will just mark it here, point it here. then another point I will get here, then I will place it here, then one another point you will get here, then again I am just placing in this point. Maybe this paper will be short here, otherwise also it can be completed in this way. Here one other point in this way. I will just continue just at the with the point I will draw at that point, the two end of the arrow I will place, and then I will continue this experiment in this way. Here also, then the next one here, then next one here, then next one here in this point. Just according to the path of the compass I will just mark the point here. This point, this is the point, this is the another thing. Here I will mark another point in this point here, next one in this point here, and last one in this one. So it is coming at this point. So this one you are getting. So one imaginary line I will draw through these all lines. So actually this line we are getting, and the arrow of this one you have to mark in this way, because according to the position of the compass I am just marking this one. Okay, this side you can complete. Next one in this position. Okay, here I will mark, here I will place this compass. So one point you will get here, maybe you can see this one in this position. Another point you will get in this position, another point you will get here. If you place, then another point you will get here. If you place, then another point you will get here. In this point if you place, then another point you are getting. Similarly I am just doing the same process here for this one also. In this way if you place, then if you place it here, then one point you will get in this position. So at the end it is coming in this way. So from here we have started. In this way. So if you draw, then these many line you will get. So in this way we will just continue the same process for the upper side of this compass, of the bar magnet. Okay, so we are starting with this position here. You can see this one. Okay, now you can see this one, the arrow position, this is the arrow position of this compass. So this is the point where you will mark, this point you will mark. So I am getting this point here. Next I am just placing this compass here in this position. So one more arrow, one more point you will get in this position here. Now another position, this two end of the compass I will just place it here. So here one more arrow you will get, one more point you will get. So in this position here again continuing the same process, but not changing the position of the bar magnet. Okay, bar magnet will be remaining here in this position. So this is next. You can see that when the compass arrow is just changing its position. Okay, you can see this one. Maybe it will be visible to you. This is next. Here this is the point, and next position while you will just place, then it will come to this position. Okay, So if you draw the actual uh, the lines, imaginary line, if you draw, then you will get this type of line. Okay, so if you draw this, if you just mark this one, then definitely according to the position of the arrow, so I'm just giving the direction here. So this is actually the thing you are getting in this case. Now the second thing what I am just doing here, now any position I am just choosing here in this point. Okay, so I'm just placing the compass here. So according to the arrow head, actually that point I will mark. Okay, so if you will place the compass here, you can place any other position also according to this line. So then that point I will mark here. One point I am just marking here, then the next point here, so another point I am marking here. Okay, so definitely the next point will come here. So in this way you will get one type of straight line, but it will not be a straight line. Sorry, this will, the arrow is pointing in towards the magnet, you can see that one. So definitely the direction will be this side. Okay, direction will be this side. So you can place it any other positions also. If you place it here in this position, then also this type of imaginary line will come in this way. Okay, if you draw any other position here also, if you place the compass here, then also it will just give you this type of direction. Okay, so now I am just shifting this, just replacing this one, just replace this magnet from here, and now I will just simply write down here the north pole and here is the south pole. Okay, so these all things are actually the magnetic lines. So this is the magnetic lines. So in this experiment, no experimental table is there, only this diagram is present. Okay, so for this experiment, simple experiment is this one is, one bar magnet is required, one compass is required. So you again I am just showing you the compass. Okay, this position is the arrow head position and this position is the two end of the arrow here. Okay, so this is very important, so you just try to remember this one. So you just see the practical book of your class. Here you will get all these things. Only this one you have to draw in the white portion of the paper, and rest all thing you will just write down from your book. This is given in the experiment number 6, magnetic field lines, and to draw the magnetic lines of a bar magnet. Okay, with the help of a compass. So this is the experiment. Thank you.